Hi guys, I hope everyone's been well. This is gonna be another product review and I am very excited because it is again a product or a product range that I truly believe in. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys another product from this range, the Diorskin Nude Natural Glow Fresh Powder Makeup. This is how the product actually looks. So this product line is Dior's mineral product range. So stick around and I'm gonna tell you guys more about this. Hi guys, so as always, I'm going to begin by showing you the product itself and the value that you get for its price. So this is how it looks like, and this is the Diorskin Natural Hydrating Makeup with an SPF of 10. What I have here is the shade 030, and the numberings of this product is the same as the numberings of its Diorskin Nude foundation. So I do have the same shade, the same numbering, I suppose. And what you get is 8 grams and 8 grams of product, and this retails for 47 Canadian dollars. And at the heart of all this, the whole product range, is the fact that the products are boosted with mineralized water, which to them serves as a catalyst for the actual minerals to be absorbed more by the skin and for the skin to actually benefit more from the minerals of the makeup. As well as having mineralized water, it also creates a soothing and hydrating and a cooling effect on the skin, and there truly is a cooling sensation once you apply it on your skin. It's very unique and maybe quite hard to grasp, especially when it comes to powder products where you don't usually associate hydrating as a sensation. It's usually dry or powdery or cakey. This really stands out primarily because of the hydrating factor and sensation that it gives to the skin. Also, the particles are ultra fine, and I'm quite aware that finely milled is a phrase that we commonly hear when powders or loose powders are described, but this truly is a cut above the rest. I was last impressed by the Laura Mercier mineral powder, which came out this spring-summer, and this was truly cut above the Bare Minerals Bare Essentials powder in terms of textures and consistency. Texture and consistency. And I really thought nothing in a long time will come as close to this, especially in terms of mineral makeups. But I have to say that the Diorskin Nude completely surpasses the Laura Mercier. If there is such a thing as more finely milled, then this has probably achieved that. It has a very silky feel, almost as if the powders or the particles just either evaporate or melt in your skin. So it also has a very unique longevity to it, which is something I've never observed in other mineral or loose powder products. And I'm not just talking about actually being aware that the product is on your skin, but I actually do see the unique finish that this product leaves on my skin. I've had this on for about an hour or more now, and it looks as if I had just placed the product on. The finish that Dior describes this product to give is matte yet luminous, and I know that is quite ironic to have those two words side by side, but I couldn't define it any other way. There is a certain luminosity in my skin. I don't know how it is quite translating on the frame, but it just looks luminous, not sparkly, not shiny or shimmery. It's not a sheen. It's really just a certain luminosity, especially in the area where I can see I've placed it on. Yet it looks matte, and there are no big shimmers or sparkles even when you swatch the product itself. One thing I have to say though about this product is that because the particles are really fine, you do want to be more careful in applying it and very meticulous with the tool that you choose to apply it with. Now, of course, Dior suggests that you apply this with their foundation brush, which I believe is another $50, but it really is not necessary. If you have any medium powder brush or even a blush brush that is, you know, soft enough and not very dense, I would largely dissuade you from using typical, you know, larger fluffy brushes or even kabuki brushes, which, you know, we typically use for face powders or mineral powders, mainly because the particles are so fine that chances are, you know, with the application you will just have the particles dispersing everywhere but your face. And the application of this, like any mineral powder, is you dip it in the product, you swirl your brush in the product, you tap it, and then you apply it in specific areas of your face. Now, unlike most other powders where you're just asked to swirl it and rigorously, you know, with no direction, just swirl it all over your face, this is suggested for you to just really put it in certain areas and brush it in certain areas of your face. I also would suggest a brush that is not exactly that large, because this packaging and opening is not as big as you would usually expect from loose powder products, so it can be quite cumbersome, so you really have to be careful. And the particles are also very fine, so I really suggest an applicator brush that is not very large but still, you know, dense enough to apply a face powder product. So let me see, so I've covered the hydrating factor of it, its longevity, and then not just in terms of the product itself but even the finish on your face. And another thing I've really observed is that when I have this product on, I rarely feel the need to blot my face or to retouch my face. And I guess that's another thing that you can give to the longevity of the product. But I honestly think that in terms of mineral products and mineral powders at that, this Diorskin product is at the very top of the list. I would not even say that this Laura Mercier comes a close second. I know I have just recently discovered this because this did just come out, and it's not a bad product, but side by side with this, it's just not even comparable. This has a very hydrating and cooling effect also that I just have never gotten from any other powder product, not even mineral. So that is my review of the Diorskin Natural Hydrating Powder. I hope that was helpful. And I know that this product range usually falls a bit higher in the price range of other products, but I can honestly say that because of the quality it gives, although this is 47 Canadian dollars and this retails for 44 Canadian, and granted that this is 4 grams more than this, because you don't need that much and it does stay on your skin for a very long time, the finish, the staying power, I actually think that you use this less frequently and the payoff you get is truly so much more than the $3 and 4 grams difference. So if you guys are in the market for any mineral powders or any loose powders, definitely give this a try. And if not, just give it a try at least, and you know, see for yourself how the product is. And I hope that you guys are as pleased with it as I have been. I hope that was informative, and thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, as always, you can always comment or message me, or just have any insight or experience with this product as well. So I hope you guys have a good night or a good day, and thank you for watching.